It is Friday, September 13th, 2 days before Robbie's 30th birthday. He was supposed to go skydiving today, but due to excessive clouds and really strong winds, it got canceled. Robbie's really bummed about it, but given that it's Friday the 13th and also the full moon, which apparently hasn't happened since the year 2000, might not be a bad thing that he's not jumping today.
Hey guys, this is my buddy Elon. It is actually his birthday. He just turned 29.
Birthday!
Yeah. We were hoping to jump out of a plane today, but the clouds and the wind had other plans for us.
So instead we're jumping off walls.
Yeah, exactly.
Just as good.
We're here at Rockville. It's in Hamilton, New Jersey. They've got a combination of the autobelays, which you can see over here, as well as standard top rope belaying, and they even have a small bouldering section, so it's a ton of fun. Definitely recommend it if you're in the area.
It's been our home gym for a month.
Well, I'm a total noob, so you'll get to teach me some stuff today.
Cool, let's do it.
We've upgraded from the cell phone footage.
Got DSLR status. So what are you starting with, 5'6"?
Yeah, well, because our favorite 5'5" is good.
Your feet positioning are so important. I used to kind of muscle through a lot of these courses, but by the third or fourth problem, you're really gonna be tired, so. So Elon, normally this place is like super busy.
Yeah.
This is the quietest I've ever seen it.
Look at that turnout. You could be a ballet dancer.
Nice.
Awesome.
I'll just go.
Yeah. So it's gonna catch you. Yeah. Yeah. Takes like the first time you do it, there's like that your heart drops for like that split second.
How's that?
That was so cool. Nice. Ooh.
Look at that. Woohoo!
Good stuff. Good stuff. This is so cool.
And we have it all to ourselves.
Yeah, this is pretty amazing.
It's a birthday miracle!
Woo!
All right, green 5'6".
So what are the numbers?
Levels.
Yeah, we've been watching a lot of bouldering bobbits lately. Ooh, nice switch, man. Ooh.
I don't use soap.
Yeah.
That jump's easier the second time.
Yeah. That first time you're like, please catch me.
Yeah, I feel like I'm actually like I kind of know what I'm doing now.
Yeah. Look at your ninja moves. Nah. That one has no texture. How'd that feel?
I was doing some bouldering down here,
Yeah?
and I think I had a weird twist, and I kind of sprained my wrist a
Oh,
little
is that
bit.
when you said, I'm gonna go do that one thing one last time?
After I had like done like,
Always.
we'd done like 10 or 20 props.
What's this?
This is tricky. This is a 5'6", and I don't like this one because it's hard.
Well done.
Yeah, that's the best one.
Kathy's done 21 seconds, I've done 22. So it's just like,
I'll watch.
This is Robbie's favorite route.
the route is very clear, but it's just like a fun, it's a transition from one to another. Can I grab a little chalk then?
No chalk for you.
No chalk for me, no soup for you. Let's do speed drop.
It's basically skydiving. It's the most fun.
It's fun.
All right, I'll give it a shot.
Yeah.
Hey, Justin, you got this one.
Yeah. Spider-Man spots.
Spider.
Does whatever a spider pig can.
Was
Can
it
he
like-
climb? No, he can't. He's a pig. You got some footholds on the left and the right.
Yeah.
Nice. How did that drop feel? Was it like skydiving?
Yep, that makes up for not being able to skydive. Thanks, guys.
Yeah. Nice. That's pretty quick. That was probably like 25, 26 seconds. And you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Follow the loop all the way through. Tie it off at the end.
I love these crash pads. I want them in my house.
Right?
Like I want
I
a
want
whole
my bed
room.
to be a crash pad.
I want a whole room to be a crash pad.
Yeah.
And then
So in my next house where I have a rock climbing wall, all the floor will be a crash pad, and all the walls and ceiling.
and it'll also be your bedroom.
Yeah, exactly.
And then you will have lung problems because chalk.
Yeah.
Yes! You did it! How does it feel to finally get that done?
It feels good.
And on video.
I've been working on this wall for like 2 weeks. So, feels good.
Yay! We are at Robbie's house waiting for people to show up, and I got this giant cake from Magnolia, which is Robbie's like favorite bakery. He hasn't seen it yet, so it's gonna be a surprise. But I tried to get him those big like number-shaped candles. You know those ones that you can get like 2, and they're like $2 each. I went to 4 different places. They had everything else except for the number 3. So that's kind of important. Not being able to find that, I bought 2 packs of 20 silver candles, and Robbie's mom and I are gonna figure out a way to get those all on the cake. And Mama Frank approves. What'd you get?
Megan got me, it's called Daily Vlogger.
My mom's
It's,
Susan.
you can
We're
help
Queens,
plan out
it's
your
okay.
videos, it's tips.
They're like
Oh,
props
she's,
and stuff.
our brother's wife is Graciela.
Flowing.
Flowing.
You know how sometimes you get presents, you're like, oh, thank you. This is something I'm like actually gonna use, so.
Yeah, you've been looking for something like that for a while.
Yeah.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Robbie. Happy birthday to you.
It's a lot of candles. So there's been multiple years where she puts in trick candles, and so you blow it out, and then it'll stop for a second, then it keeps sparkling.
It's Sunday, September 15th, and Robbie will never be in his 20s again.
Merp, whatever that emoji is.
Happy birthday, baby.
Thank you, baby. You really made the weekend a lot of fun, so thank you.
Yay, I'm sorry you couldn't go skydiving.
I mean, it's not your fault. The weather is. You can't control the weather.
Of course it's gorgeous today.
Yeah, exactly. Hey guys, welcome back. Today is my actual birthday, September 15th. Me and Kathy are heading over to a food festival right here in West Windsor. It's at the Lower Vaughan parking lot. I hear some music, so
It sounds live.
let's check it out.
First thing we're eating all day.
Pizza calzone.
Pizza
So-
donut.
Basically, like a fried donut. The outside is kind of flaky, like you'd have on the top of like a chicken pot pie.
You didn't get the filling the first time?
Yeah. Oh,
What
that's
does
really
it
good.
look like inside?
It's like cheesy and gooey.
Looks like a fried mac and cheese ball.
Yeah, that's probably a better comparison, honestly.
Let me try it.
But you get all that gooey cheese, it's all melty. It's like mac and cheese with like rice-a-roni surrounded by fried dough.
What is rice-a-roni?
The San Francisco treat.
I thought that's sourdough bread bowl with clam chowder.
And avocado toast.
Yes. That's all we eat.
But I like the prosciutto better because prosciutto you get the flavor of all the meats, like kind of, it's really like infused in the cheese.
So are we thinking taco?
Yeah, we're definitely doing taco.
You should get chicken and crispy.
Well, we get 2 for $9, so let's mix it up. And then, yeah, pina coladas after.
I feel like I'm full after those cheese balls. Did you get a pineapple?
We did. It's everything I dreamed of and more. Dave, you gotta try this. This is unreal. You gotta try this. I'm in bliss right now. This is bliss.
Wow.
Isn't it so? It's like so flavorful and so creamy.
Oh, it's so good. Also, what is this obsession we have as humans to put things that are made of the things into the shells of the things that it came out of?
Yeah, that's so true.
Are you having a good time? Looks like it.
We got 2 different types of tacos. So we got one with brisket, one with chicken.
They both look amazing.
They both look really good. This is brisket. I guess we'll try that first. Pretty solid. I almost wish there was like a little bit of barbecue sauce or some hot sauce on there. You already know.
Is it a lot better?
Way better. Like, my preference for brisket is to have it with like either some hot sauce or some barbecue sauce. There, take a bite, babe.
Okay. I'm gonna try the part without the barbecue sauce first.
Okay. Like not bad, but like it's cooked well.
I think it's pretty good as is.
Oh, okay. That's fair, but try it with the barbecue sauce now.
Okay.
Better?
I'm a barbecue sauce addict. Anything with barbecue sauce is gonna taste better. What was your favorite thing that you ate today?
Well, I know I didn't eat it, but the pina coladas were on point. I really recommend it. It was $12, but the refills were only $1. And so, I mean, if you're gonna just kind of hang out here, it's a great way to stay cool. We had a ton of fun coming here, trying a bunch of different food.
It's so full.
If anything, we ate way too much. But I guess that's what happens when you come to a food truck festival.
It's so good.
But it was a lot of fun. I mean, aside from the food trucks, they had some really good live performers. So that was a lot of fun. And if you have kids, especially small kids, there's a ton of games set up for them. So they had a bouncy castle. They had like some blow-up basketball hoops and stuff. A lot of little games.
It's
So.
like Diet Communiversity.
Yeah, that's a great way of putting it. Well, guys, thanks for joining me and Kathy for a fun birthday weekend. We did a lot here in the Princeton area. And if you want to check out plenty of other Princeton stuff to do, I'm going to link a video up above. But that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Safe travels, and we'll catch you next time.
Happy birthday!
Thank you.